My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Now, before there was Ipsy Plus or Ipsy Ultimate, there was the OG Ipsy Glam bag. And it's been a minute since I've just unboxed my traditional Ipsy on camera. And all my other subscription boxes are being held captive in a parcel locker that I can't get to until the business office is open. So we're just going to unbox my regular old Ipsy. So if you would like to see what I got for the month of January, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright. We're always on to the next. Ooh! I'm already in love with this bag. Oh, if you guys don't know, I love marble. I have marble everything. I have a marble comforter. Your girl loves marble. Alright, so the first thing is this Luxie fan brush. Ooh. I have really been liking the Luxie brushes that they have been sending me. It's a nice brush. Oh, and I even love that it's pink inside even more. So this month's theme is Clean Slate, and the Luxie brush retails for $18. Alright, so the next product is Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Very Berry. This isn't a color that I would wear, to be honest. Well, not very often, at least. Actually, it's a really pretty color, but I don't want to swatch it because I might give this to my mom or save it for a giveaway. I was just reading it. It says the value of the full-size version of this product was $30. So $30, that's kind of expensive for a lipstick. Who do they think they are? Charlotte Tilbury? Alright, the next product is this Real Her eyeshadow in Victorious. So it says rose gold is a universally flattering shade that's always on trend. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to swatch this either because, I don't know. Ooh, that's really pretty though. Okay, and it says the value of the full-size palette, including this shade, is $28. Okay. So the next product is this Urban Juve Provisions Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. So this is full-size. It retails for $10. What is up with me getting like these chapstick looking things in subscription boxes? Okay. And then the last product, ooh, I'm actually excited for this, is this Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I have really been wanting to try this. This is a 3-in-1 makeup eraser cleanser and mask that hydrates without stripping. Ooh. So full size of this is $34. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this. So that and the brush are really the only thing that I'm excited about. It's kind of like underwhelming when you open a regular Ipsy after getting like Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultimate. You're like, that's all? I mean, for $12, yeah, it's not bad at all. I guess I'm just gotten spoiled by the bigger boxes. Alright, let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy for January down in the comments below. And yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not uploading as often as I usually am. I am dealing with a lot physically, emotionally. I'm in a lot of pain physically and emotionally. I just lost my aunt and I lost my grandma not too long ago. Within the past year, I've lost 2 family members, and that's basically my entire family. But I'm just taking some needed rest, and I love you guys. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.